Hello everyone, let's see how to make some different kinds of scenery. For the first scenery, we've made an house and then we have added some door and windows. On the side, we have added a tree with apples and then we are drawing sun and a cloud. And when your drawing is done, you can color it with any color you want and it looks so pretty. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a caterpillar sitting calmly on leaves. You can see we are drawing leaves underneath the caterpillar and then we are making a cage. As you can see, we are making it look like he's really sleeping. We have added a cap and some sun and stars. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a house and then we are adding some details to it like windows, door and a chimney. After that, beside the house we are making a tree or autumn based tree and then another tree. After that we are making a sun and our scenery is done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a mushroom themed house. First we are making the structure of the house, then windows and doors. After that we are making some flies on the ground and then we are adding some details like greenery, flowers and a beautiful butterfly. At last we are making a sun in the sky and it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making some mountains and then giving some greenery like this we are doing and you can see it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a tree. First we have made the branch and then we are making the green part. After that we are making a small mushroom beside tree and then we are making sun above the tree and then we are adding some greenery and it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a house and for the detailing of the house we have added windows and doors, then added a chimney at last, then we have drawn some small trees or plants, then we are adding some small plants on the ground also and it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making some big leaves as you can see and then we are making some mountain effect. Then we have shown that it is air who's blown all this. At last we are making some birds and it is ready. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a shell with rainbow effect. First we are making the shell and above that we are making rainbow and you can color it. Next we move ahead to our drawing. Here we are making a coconut tree. First we have added some coconut and then we are drawing the leaves and the branch of the tree and when it's done we have added a sun and then it's ready. Thanks for watching.